Hello cousins, I hope you all are doing well. Thank you for clicking my video. Today I'm doing a wig show and tell on a wig that was sent to me from OMGHerHair. The website to this wig will be in the description box with other website links that you might be interested in. When you order, they send you some goodies in the box. I got press-on nails, 2 wig caps, a OMGHerHair rat tail comb, and a edge brush / comb, a beautiful thank you card, a headband. It's not really a headband, but it's something that goes on your head. Here's a close-up of inside of the cap construction. It comes with a 13x6 parting space. Behind the frontal, it comes with 3 combs, another comb in the nape area with adjustable straps, and is made on a stretch fit cap. According to OMGHerHair, the lace is HD and the hair texture feels soft and silky but not too silky. This is how the wig comes straight out of the package. This is their Curly Edges Hairline Fitted Glueless 13x6 Curly HD Lace Frontal Wig GLW02. They have 2 types of edges for the curly hairline option, and I have type 2, which is 4A to 4B curly edges. The knots on the frontal come pre-bleached as well, and with this style I'm going to do a right side part. Right here I brushed out the curls that's on the wig, and the hair is looking all poofy, but I think it looks really cute poofy. But I would like to go in and define the curls for people that's curious on how this hair will look more defined. So I'm going to go in with my 360 mist spray bottle and my Nair OB Rapid Shine foaming lotion. I section a thick part in the back, and then I go in with the water first. I brush out the curls until the curls is looking nice and defined. I don't want to drench the hair in water, I just want to mist it. Then after that, I'm gonna go in with the Nair OB Rapid Shine foaming lotion to lock in the curls so the curl can have that nice defined form and hold a curl. One thing I like about the Nair OB Rapid Shine foaming lotion, it doesn't have a hard hold on the hair. It doesn't make the hair look crunchy. It leaves the curls looking nice and soft with a nice shine. This is how the wig came out after I was done defining the curls. Now I need to cut off the extra lace in the front, and to cut off the extra lace in the front, I'm going to take my eyebrow razor. I'm going to cut the lace in the middle first and just work with one side and take my time and cut right along the hairline. I am moving the curly edges back so I don't cut into the hairline and so I can see the hairline. Be careful when cutting off the extra lace because you don't want to cut into the hairline with your razor or your scissor. That will mess up the shape of the hairline and also cause shedding. Hey there family. Now it is time to install the wig on moi. Here is the wig. I left the wig air drying on the mannequin head for about 2 days. I needed some time to record the video, so this wig is fully dried. I thought I recorded the next step on camera, but I didn't. Underneath the lace, I applied some makeup powder, but only to the spots that I'll be showing. Y'all know how I like to do. I like to save some product. So I only applied it to the hairline and the parting space. So far, the hairline is looking really nice on my hairline, but I would like to get the air tabs to lay down just in case if I was to go outside and the wind blow. I don't want my air tabs lifting up, so I'm gonna go in with this olive oil super hold spray and spray one layer of this on top of the lace and blow dry it until it's completely dry. And I'm also taking the rat tail comb and pressing down the tip of the lace, making sure it's nice and flat. Now I'm gonna put my bold hold edge band on and just blow dry the hairline, hoping the heat would make the hairline like a little bit flat, but it didn't really do much, just letting y'all know in advance. So yeah. Right here, I was just playing with the edges, trying to see if I could do any special swoops, but I was like, nah, I'm playing myself. And the other side of the hairline is really thick. I was like, I should have went in and plucked some of it out, but it could still rock, especially since the other side is covering up that part. Right here is my end results, family, and I must say this wig is giving realistic vibes. The curls look like carefree curls and natural curly edges, almost like I jumped in a pool and my hair air dried and this is how it came out. I love how I don't have to worry about swooping anything. I don't have to swoop the edges. I just put it on, secure the air tabs with my spray, and go. I do believe a few others install this wig without any glue or spray, so a complete no product install, but I'm not that advanced yet with virgin hair wigs. I need some spray on my ear tabs, at least up to the temples, to secure it, or if I can rock it glueless, y'all know I would show how to rock it glueless. But the hair pattern on this wig is loose curl. The hair color is natural black, it's undyed. The hair quality is virgin hair. OMGHerHair said this is a 100% human hair wig, so you can dye it jet black if you would like, or bleach it. The hair density is 150%. I like the hair density. It's not really thick, but it ain't really thin either. The hair length is 18 inches. The curl pattern is cute in my opinion. The curls are not too tight, not too loose. It looks natural. The edges is real kinky edges. I was nervous about the shape of the hairline not looking natural on me. One side could use a little bit more plucking, but otherwise it's not that bad. It looks pretty good. And also I was trying to keep it beginner friendly without plucking anything, bleaching anything. So this is how the wig looks for anybody that's curious on how it comes from the OMGHerHair website. When I received the wig, it didn't come with no foul odor. I didn't wash the wig either, but when you get it, you definitely can wash it. When I was styling the wig, I got zero tangling and barely any shedding. There really wasn't anything to show you guys. The top of the wig doesn't have a hump or a hill. It's laying flat on my braids. For the ladies that like to split their hair in the back, you are in for the clear. No tracks is showing, and you can't see my wig cap. I like it. It's pretty new experimenting with these kinky curly edges wig, but I love how easy it is to install it and just be on the go. And I love how natural it looks because not a lot of people like those swooped baby hairs. So this is really good for those beginner friendly ladies. The only con I have with this is the right side of the edges is a little thicker than the other side of the kinky edges, but with a little plucking, I should be able to fix it. And I like how you don't need to melt the hairline with glue or spray to get a natural look. But that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. Thank you so much for taking time to watch, and I'll see you guys later.